In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a US iCloud account outside the US. This can come in handy if you're trying to access apps and services exclusively available in the United States. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily and set up your account within just 5 minutes. First, you need to ensure that there's no Apple account currently signed in on your device. It's crucial because having an account logged in can interfere with the setup of a new iCloud account. So go ahead and make sure to log out of any existing account. Next, you'll need to set your device's region to the United States. To do this, head over to Settings, tap on General, and then go into Language and Region. Once you're in, you'll find an option labeled Region. Tap on that and scroll through the list until you see United States. Select it and your device will now operate as if it's located in the US. With your region set, it's time to create a new iCloud account. Open up the App Store and scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you'll find the option to sign out of any account if you're still logged in. Once you've signed out, you'll see an option that says Create New Apple ID. Tap on this, and when prompted, be sure to select United States as the country for your new account. You'll need to enter a different email address that hasn't been used for an Apple ID before. Common providers like Gmail or Yahoo work perfectly fine for this. When you reach the payment method screen, make sure to select None. This avoids needing a US-based payment option, which can often be a stumbling block. For the billing address, you will need a US address. You can find a suitable one by searching for a random US address generator online. When entering it, double check that all fields are filled out correctly, including the zip code and state. Now it's time to verify your email and finalize the setup. Head over to the email account you used to sign up and look for the email verification link from Apple. Once you locate it, click the link to confirm your email address. After verifying, you can sign into your new US iCloud account via the settings on your device. You now have access to the full range of apps and services available in the US App Store. Just remember, whenever you sign into this account, ensure your region is set to the United States to avoid any issues. And there you have it, your new US iCloud account is ready to use. Enjoy exploring the exclusive content.